Now you can see and hear that this is cooking away, but the best way to show you exactly how it's cooking is if you look at this little temperature guideline on the bottom here. What those lines are showing you is exactly how done the meat is in the middle. So once that gets all the way to the end and it stops flashing, it's going to beep, and you're going to know that your food is cooked to perfection every single time without you having to do a thing. Alright, so the gourmet grill has just beeped at me to tell me that it's cooked, so let's have a look at how our steaks are done. Oh my goodness, you can see those grill lines that are on there. Now that is just like you'll get at a restaurant quality steakhouse. It smells absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you can hear from that sizzle just how fresh and how hot this is. Now all you've got to do is take those off the grill, let them sit for just a little bit, just like you would with a normal steak, and then we'll cut into them and serve.